Okay students, now we have to discuss sum of interior angle. Sum of interior angle. Sum of interior angles of polygon with n sides, n number of sides. Sum of interior angles of a polygon with n sides. So we have already discussed angle sum property of triangle as well as quadrilateral. So for the triangle, what is angle sum property? Sum of all the angles, sum of all the angles, sum of measure of all the angles of triangle, sum of measure of all the angles of triangle is always 180 degree. Done. That means triangle with n equal to 3 sides. Number of sides in a triangle are 3. So angle sum property of triangle says that sum of all the measures of angle of triangle is 180 degree. And angle sum property of quadrilateral, angle sum property of quadrilateral, which means number of sides are 4. Number of sides are 4. So sum of measure of all the angles, sum of measure of all the interior angles of quadrilateral, sum of measure of all the interior angle of quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Done. There we also derive. So now we have to find sum of interior angles of polygon with n equal to with n sides. Suppose if n sides are there, then we have to find the angle sum property of this polygon. So here formula is sum of interior angles, sum of interior angles of polygon, sum of interior angle of polygon with n sides, with n number of sides, that is always equal to n minus 2 into 180. That is angle sum property, general form of angle sum property for the polygon with n number of sides. Here we can replace n equal to 3 for this triangle, we can replace n equal to 4 for this quadrilateral. Done. So this is another most important formula for this chapter, sum of interior angles of a polygon with n sides. So let's try to verify this formula. So for triangle n equal to 3, so what is angle sum property? Sum of measure of all the angle, that is equal to, for triangle total 3 interior angles are there and 3 sides are there, so put n equal to 3. So if you take n equal to 3, it will be 3 minus 2 into 180 degree, and that is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So for triangle angle sum property is 180 degree. For triangle, sum of measure of all the interior angle of triangle is always 180 degree. Now for quadrilateral, we can say total number of 4 sides are there. So for quadrilateral, angle sum property means sum of measure of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is always, put n equal to 4. So it's a 4 minus, put n equal to 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 4 minus 2 is 2 into 180, so it's a 360 degree. So here we can say for quadrilateral, sum of measure of all the interior angle of quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Now we can also find the angle sum property for pentagon. So for pentagon, total number of sides are 5. Total number of sides are 5. So take n equal to 5. So angle sum property. So what is the angle sum property for pentagon? It is 5 minus 2 into 180. 5 minus 2 is 3. 18 3s are 540. Clear? So this is how we can find angle sum property for hexagon by taking n equal to 6, by taking n equal to 7 for heptagon, by taking n equal to 8 by octagon, n equal to 9 by nonagon, and n equal to 10 for decagon. That you have to try by yourself. Clear? So please note down this formula and find angle sum property for this all the remaining polygons with n equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 sides. Done? So pause the video and note it down.